Assalamualaikum. I am Arif, and for this street structure subject, group project, we are required to write a program that will read surface structure grammar or PSG given in a question, and after a user key in the PSG input into the program, then the program give the result for the type of grammar, either type 1, 2, or 3, or even 0, and also the accepted string. We may create a GUI or non-GUI application to process our input and output. Then I will pass to Izzat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I want to present about the roles and the responsibility for all the first for the team leader. The responsibility that the team leader need to do is the team leader need to establish the goals and the objective of this system, and then the team leader also need to set up and monitor the timeline of all the project. After that, team leader need to assign all the work to all the team members and also guideline on how to finish the project successfully. And then, if there is issues or problem, the team leader need to resolve all the issues and the problem. Next, for the copywriter, the responsibility for the copywriter need to come up with the idea for all the content of the system and the line for the uh, overall project. And then copywriter also collaborate with the operating system to get all the information, create, edit, and finalize the report. Also for the third roles, there is a programmer. For programmer, the programmer need to coding and debugging all the project to complete the uh, assignment given. And for programmer also need to designing and testing the computer structure. Programmer also need to editing the source code, also identifying and correcting the coding errors. Lastly, for programmer assistant, uh, the programmer assistant also need to coding and debugging the coding of the project. Also, the programmer assistant also need to designing and testing the computer structure and editing the source code. Uh, Programmer assistant also can collaborate with the programmer to solve all the coding and any errors that appear. Okay, that's all for me. I, I pass to next members.
So today I will present about this application that I will discuss about the output that we get and how it get the output. So the first is we need to input the vocabulary. So we need to give like a simple vocab. So S A B A B. So the terminal will be the non-capital letter. So we will input A B, and the start symbol will be the S, and the production will be the simple one, just like in the question B and B. So we did. So here, it will output the type of the production we choose here, and this is the output that we have after we solve the production is um, the the last output of the production that we get that we need to find out. So here, as the questions one, it wants the last production will be all not all the production need to be a terminal. So we got S. First we need to start the production with S, and the S will become the AB, and the AB need to split to two. A will become the AB, which is here, and B will become the BB, which is here. So uh, that's how this program work. It will read the the first start symbol. If that is equal, then it will turn into this, and then it will split and turn into AB and BB, according to this. And if it gets all the result is the equal to the terminal here, and if they are terminal, so the program will stop. So that's how the program works. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, so to conclude our presentation here, uh, what we able to see is we are able to create a program that can solve the given question. However, this program is limited to a certain vocabulary only. For example, if we enter before the fragment character more than after fragment, then the system cannot detect the type, which lead to the error. Overall, the program can be running quite smoothly. Thank you. That's all from us.